Welcome to a serene journey of spiritual reflection. In our bustling lives, finding moments for inner peace and contemplation can be challenging, yet it is profoundly rewarding. Let's begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit, somewhere you can gently close your eyes without distractions. As you settle in, take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale gradually, releasing the stress and noise of the outside world. Now, with each breath, let your mind drift towards the many blessings in your life. Consider your health, the warmth of family, the companionship of friends, and even the simplest joys that dot your daily existence. Reflect on these gifts, no matter how small they may seem. Each one is a whisper of fortune, a thread in the fabric of your life that, when acknowledged, can elevate your spirit and deepen your faith. With our minds at peace, let us delve into the beauty of reflection. Now reflect on the countless blessings surrounding you. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable spot. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, letting the world's noise fade away with each exhale. In this moment of calm, turn your thoughts to the blessings in your life. Consider your health, the quiet miracle of your body working tirelessly day and night. Reflect on the presence of family and friends, those special bonds that offer support and joy even in challenging times. Imagine each blessing as a light, brightening your life's landscape. Health, companionship, and even the simple morning sun that greets you each day. No matter how small, these are the threads that weave the rich tapestry of your life. Acknowledging them fills your heart with a sense of contentment and peace. Visualize these blessings, feel their impact, and let this awareness settle into your soul, enriching your sense of gratitude and well-being. Having recognized our blessings, it's time to express our gratitude. Gratitude transforms what we have into enough and more. In our journey through life, taking a moment to express gratitude is not just a pause, but a profound practice that enriches our spirits. Let us now turn our hearts towards gratitude. Reflect on the countless blessings surrounding you, be it the comfort of a home, the love of family, or even the simple, often overlooked gift of waking up to a new day. Say Alhamdulillah, which translates to all praise is due to Allah. Let these words not just pass your lips, but resonate through your being. Feel the weight of their meaning. It's a declaration of thanks, acknowledging that every little joy and comfort in your life is a gift from Allah. Allow yourself a moment to feel this deeply, a sense of humility, a touch of awe, and a profound appreciation for the blessings that color your existence. With a heart full of gratitude, let's connect deeper with our faith through the words of the Quran. The Quran holds timeless wisdom for all facets of life. In the journey to strengthen one's faith, connecting deeply with the Quran can be a transformative experience. It's not just about reading the text, but absorbing it, understanding it, and letting it guide your daily actions and decisions. Consider the profound simplicity and depth of Surah Al-Asr, where Allah swears by time, stating, "Indeed, mankind is in loss except for those who have believed and done righteous deeds and advised each other to truth and advised each other to patience." This short surah is a powerful reminder of the value of time, faith, righteous deeds, truth, and patience. Reflect on how these elements are present in your life or how you might better incorporate them moving forward. Alternatively, delve into the meanings of Surah Al-Ikhlas, which defines the uniqueness and oneness of Allah. Say, He is Allah, the one and only, Allah the eternal absolute. He begetteth not, nor is He begotten, and there is none like unto Him. This surah not only emphasizes the concept of Tawhid, the oneness of Allah, but also invites us to ponder the purity of our belief and the sincerity of our devotion. As you reflect on these verses, consider their direct implications on your life. How does the concept of time influence your daily decisions? Are your actions reflecting your beliefs? Is your patience evident in times of trial? How pure is your faith in the oneness of Allah? These reflections are not just intellectual exercises. They are meant to inspire a deeper connection to your faith and a more purposeful approach to your daily life. Allow the words of the Quran to challenge you, to change you, and to fortify your spiritual journey. Let these profound words resonate within us as we turn our hearts towards supplication, Dua is the essence of worship, a private conversation with our Creator. In the tranquil moments of prayer, when we stand alone with our thoughts and emotions, there exists a powerful tool that brings us closer to the divine. The act of making dua, or supplication. This profound practice is not just about asking for what we need, but also a declaration of our dependence on Allah, the Almighty. Imagine yourself in a state of reflection, where your heart is open and your mind is clear. Here, in this private communion, you reach out to Allah, expressing your deepest desires for guidance, forgiveness, strength, and mercy. It's a moment to pour out your worries, seek comfort in His presence, and ask for your heart's deepest needs. For those who might find themselves searching for words, there is beauty in the simplicity and depth of prophetic duas. One such dua, which beautifully encapsulates the spirit of seeking forgiveness, is Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibul afwa fa'fu anni. This translates to, O Allah, you are the one who pardons greatly, and you love to pardon, so pardon me. This plea is not just a request for forgiveness, but also a testament to Allah's boundless mercy and our own need for it. In making dua, remember, it is not the eloquence of your words that matters, but the sincerity of your heart. Let your words be few, but your intentions deep. Visualize each word soaring upwards, reaching out to the heavens, a heartfelt whisper among the clouds. As we engage in this intimate dialogue, let us not just ask, but also thank. Appreciate the countless blessings we often take for granted. This act of gratitude not only enhances our prayers, but enriches our lives, grounding us with humility and perspective. Having opened our hearts in dua, let us now set intentions for our continued spiritual growth. Intentions set the direction, actions take us there. As we navigate the complexities of life, it's crucial to align our inner intentions with outward actions. This alignment is not just about setting goals. It's about making a real commitment to enhancing our faith and the quality of our actions. It's about the small, daily decisions that gradually steer our lives in a more meaningful direction. Consider this. How often do we pause to genuinely assess our spiritual health? Do we just go through the motions, or are we truly present in our spiritual practices? Making a conscious intention to improve isn't merely a thought. It's a decision that demands action. Let's start with something as foundational as prayer. Committing to pray on time every day can transform an ordinary routine into an extraordinary connection with faith. It's not just about ticking off a task, it's about respecting the sanctity of these moments and fully engaging with every rak'ah. Or perhaps your intention could be directed towards the Quran. Imagine setting a goal to read a few verses daily. This isn't just about reading, it's about understanding, reflecting, and allowing those words to resonate with your daily life. It's about letting the divine guidance illuminate your decisions and interactions. And what about the simple yet profound act of helping someone in need? Sometimes a small gesture of kindness can be a powerful expression of faith. It's an action that reverberates through our community and echoes back to us in ways we might not expect. Now, take a moment to choose your intention. What small change will you commit to? Once decided, don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Take a small step right now. Whether it's setting your prayer mat ready for the next salah or picking a verse of the Quran to ponder over tonight, begin immediately. Each small step is a leap in our spiritual journey. As we conclude, remember that strengthening Iman is a continuous journey. In our brief time together, we've explored several transformative steps, starting with reflection, where we embrace the tranquility of our surroundings to appreciate the myriad blessings in our lives. We then shifted to expressing gratitude, uttering Alhamdulillah with heartfelt sincerity, acknowledging the bounty bestowed upon us. The journey continued with a deep dive into the profound words of the Quran, reflecting on verses that remind us of our purpose and the essence of our existence. Following this spiritual reflection, we reached out through dua, a personal and powerful supplication, seeking guidance, forgiveness, and strength from the Almighty. Finally, we talked about the importance of setting intentions for actionable change. Whether it's committing to timely prayers, assisting someone in need, or daily Quranic reading, each small step is a stride towards profound personal growth. Thank you for joining this journey of faith. May your path be blessed with peace and enlightenment.